every day they are releasing new products in the market. My work is just to bring you the new and best out there. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about fast whitening oils in the market right now that is buzzing, that is doing the job and have a lot of good reviews. You know that when you're buying any of this oil, you are not wasting your money. And out of this oil, I also bought one for myself. Okay, so that's to tell you that they are good. So let's get straight into today's video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and the first time of coming across, you are welcome. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment in the comment section down below. Let's interact, okay? And yeah, follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is on my bio, so the link is there. Follow the link on my TikTok and let's interact. I'll be posting a lot on TikTok, so what I post on TikTok may not be on my YouTube channel, and what I post on my YouTube channel will not be on my TikTok. So make sure you are following me everywhere. Okay, so now let's get straight into today's video. It's whitening oils in the market right now. So the number one on my list is going to be the Glutas Super Bleaching Oil. If you have any shower gel, cream, body wash that is not working, but you like it because probably it's too expensive, or you just like it, you don't want to abandon it, and you want something that you can use to boost it, you want to whiten up in a Pro Max level, get this oil. It is very effective. It's mostly advisable to premix it with your black soap or a shower gel. It's powerful product, so it's best used as a wash off product, and it's around 10 to 12k, so it is good. So the next on my list is going to be the Caviar Secret Whitening Oil. One rule you must follow with this oil is it must be mixed. Don't use it alone, please. It comes in pink bottle, orange bottle, and black bottle. And the black is for tough skin. It gives a very strong whitening. And if you have elephant skin, that kind of skin that products don't just penetrate or work faster on you, use the black Caviar Secret Oil. And if you have soft baby skin, like you've exfoliated, you've been doing skincare, and you're very prone to stretch mark, green vein, white dots, and all of that, because your skin is soft already, use the pink bottle. Okay, you can mix it either with your lotion on that. Okay, and for caramel skin tone, use the orange bottle for subtle brightening and maintenance of the complexion. And this one can be used alone without mixing with anything. Just apply with sense. When whitening your skin, use it along a moisturizer. I cannot emphasize enough on this. And this smells so nice and no imitation yet. 8 to 10k. So one rule about when you are using whitening products, get a good moisturizer with it, like, so that it will be helping you to build your skin barrier. Okay, so that when your skin barrier is thick, when your skin is thick, you won't be prone to stretch mark, you won't be prone to green vein and all those things that comes with skin whitening. Okay, so always use a moisturizer with your whitening products, and always listen to instruction. Okay, listen to instruction. So the next on my list is going to be the Mulatto Booster Whitening Oil. Hold on. This is it. I have it here. That's what I rub on my skin right now. It can be used alone on your skin, and you can also premix it into a body lotion if your skin is too sensitive, and don't use it on your face. So this is it. I bought the Mulatto Booster White, carrots, honey, and glutathione. There is a turmeric. There's a lot of variants, but I got the glutathione whitening glowing oil. I didn't even know. I just asked for it because I saw it online. People have been saying it's good, and I asked for it, and they gave me this one, and I just took it because I was even happy to see it. You know, when you're happy, you even check the one it was. So on getting it, when I realized I collected the glutathione, and I'm quite pleased. So the Mulatto Booster White. When you see this oil, don't buy one, buy like 2 to 4, because I'm sure by the time you go back, it's either they don't have it or the price have skyrockets again. Because before I see this one, that's why when I just saw it, I just bought it. I was very happy because it's a very good whitening oil. It comes in 3 popular variants: the glutathione, which I have here, the turmeric, and vitamin C, and they work amazingly well. If you like oils more than lotion, this is for you. And good thing is you can use it like alone without mixing it with any cream. Just use it before or after your body cream. Any routine that work for you, but me, I use it after my body cream, sealing the lotion. Okay. See, I'm not even capping. You use a cap on my head. This is the kind of oil that if you want to say you don't want to use cream anymore, then get this and your problem is soft. If you want a blinding glow to blind your village people, that will make people to ask you, Madam, what are you using? You know, this kind of showstopper oil. I have these two, that's this here, and I am a lover of good things, okay, and it is around 10K to 12K depending on where you're buying from. So go and get your own. So the next one I use is going to be the Skin Point Glow Booster Lightening Oil. So the next one I use is going to be the Skin Point Glow Booster Lightening Oil. I mean, an oil that repairs and lightens. Only this oil can do that. If you badly bleach your skin and now you have some backlash from the products you used then, and you just want to repair and not go darker while doing that, you still want to, look better, lighter, get this on. The work is simple, skin repair and skin lightening, and you can do it alone. Like you can use it alone without premixing. As someone with bad skin already, it is wise to stay away from strong whitening stuff. And mixing this oil in is your best bet, trust me. If you use this oil, it is better to mix it if you don't know how to use it and trust the process, okay? It's just 9K. Do you get what I just say? You can use it alone, but if you are just scared of anything, you can use it in your lotion. Mix it with your lotion, okay? It is a very safe oil. And beware of the fake. I have been seeing people complaining of the fake and all of that, and people have been calling attention to it. So this oil that I just mentioned last is a very good oil. Very, very good oil. I initially wanted to get that one before I bought the smaller two, but because my skin is not spoiled, I am not repairing my skin. Okay, so I've already done that. That's why I became a little bit darker. I was repairing my skin and restoring my skin barrier. So that's why I got this one. So make sure you are not getting the fake, the skin points. Make sure they wrote skin points on it. Make sure I'll try to look for the fake and the original and I will identify them. But in case I can't get it, make sure when you are buying it, it is written on it like skin points, glow booster, repair lightning oil. Okay, so make sure you get that. And one thing about that oil is that it is lightweight. It is good. When something is good, I'll say it's good. And when it's bad, trust me, I won't even I'll say it's bad. Okay, so get that oil to repair your skin. It's good for people that have stretch mark, that have thin skin. Your skin is looking like fele fele. It's already very soft. Get that to build your skin barrier. Okay, and stay away from lightening, strong whitening stuff if you have a problematic skin already. It is what that's the wise thing to do. And one mistake people do when whitening is that they tend to use their whitening products Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Who taught you that? Which version of skincare are you doing like in this 2025? No, no, we don't do that anymore, okay? If you are using a whitening lotion, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If you want to go Primark, you can go Thursday. Then Friday, Saturday, Sunday is your moisturizing. And when you are using lightening products, night only. Okay, you can only use it as night, and in the morning you use your moisturizing lotion. You cannot use your lightening lotion in the morning rather, because when the sun meets the products on your skin, that's when it will start reacting. And when you use your whitening or lightening lotion at night, make sure the sun do not meet the products on your skin the next morning. Even if you just a quick shower, make sure you always wash it off before you enter the sun or go outside there to buy something. And you will see the difference in your skin. If you've been using skin lightening products during the daytime or during the night and you don't even wash it off before going out in the morning, maybe probably to buy something and all of that, it is not advisable. Make sure you wash it off your skin completely, even if it's just a quick shower, and apply a moisturizing body lotion, even if just a baby lotion like mine. Okay, so that's the best way to use lightening products. So these oils I just mentioned, they are all good and I've told you the job that they are all doing. So if you watched my video up to this point, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now, like right now, now, hit the subscribe button. Okay, and then click on the like button there so that YouTube will push my videos up to more people, so more people will see my video, and they win for me. Okay, so that's the only way you can support me. And comment in the comment section down below anything you want to ask me. Maybe the mulatto booster oil I'm using now is working for me, and if I'll, I will answer you. Okay, and let me know the video you would like to see next. I would like to film a video you would like to see. Yeah, I won't like to film a video you don't want to see because it's a loss on my own end too. So let me know the video you would like to see next, and I'll definitely deliver. Okay, thank you for watching my video up to this point. Keep taking care of yourself. Keep looking fabulous. Drink a lot of water. Okay, don't do more than you can. You know, don't do more than your power. Don't do more than yourself. And I will do what I will see you on the very next one today.